Welcome to this presentation on probing the electronic structure of Ru L1 to ZH equals 0, 1 plus and 2 plus H2L1 are tridentate 2 MINOPHENOL derivative complexes in 3 ligand redox levels. This research was conducted by Ananya Saha et al. And published in 7th October 2020. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of molecular chameleons. These aren't creatures, but special types of molecules that can change their electronic identity, a property that holds immense potential for future technologies. Did you know that understanding how these tiny molecular machines work could unlock breakthroughs in everything from new medicines to cleaner energy, impacting nearly every aspect of our modern lives? Our research focuses on a specific type of ruthenium complex, aiming to unravel the secrets of its electronic structure and how it transforms. Imagine trying to understand how a complex, high tech machine works, but you can't just open it up and look inside. Instead, you observe its behavior, then use specialized tools to peek at its internal gears and circuits. That's exactly what we do with molecules. Our molecular detective toolkit includes advanced techniques like X-ray crystallography to see their precise atomic arrangement, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy to measure electron energies, and powerful computer simulations called DFT and QRO to model their hidden electronic states. These tools help us piece together the puzzle of how these molecules function at their most fundamental level. Our biggest discovery is just how much of a chameleon our ruthenium complex truly is. We found that it doesn't just have one fixed electronic identity. Instead, it's constantly shifting electrons, not always at the central ruthenium metal, but often at the surrounding arms or ligands. These ligands are incredibly active, readily swapping electrons and changing their own redox levels. This flexibility means the entire molecule can adapt and respond to its environment in powerful ways. It's like having a multi tool that can change its function on demand, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. So, why is this chameleon behavior so important for the world today? This fundamental understanding of how electrons move and how molecular components interact allows us to design materials with unprecedented control. Imagine creating smarter catalysts that can adapt to different chemical reactions, making industrial processes more efficient and less wasteful, or developing new materials for energy storage that can handle more charge cycles, leading to longer lasting batteries. This research provides the foundational knowledge needed to engineer these next generation materials, paving the way for innovations in sustainable chemistry and advanced technologies. In the next 5 years, the insights from this research will directly contribute to a greener, smarter future that impacts your daily life. Picture this. More efficient chemical production means everyday products, from your clothing to your car parts, are made with less energy and waste. Imagine longer lasting smartphone batteries that hold a charge for days, or electric vehicles with more powerful, faster charging batteries that make range anxiety a thing of the past. Our work lays the groundwork for these tangible improvements, making your daily life more convenient, sustainable, and technologically advanced.